If you've been following me for a while, you probably know that especially in October, I like to do some pretty gruesome, unsettling looks, things that, aim to freak people out. I have definitely gotten some hate for it in the past with some of my looks, but it's the season for that, and I really enjoy throwing some kind of different gross looks into the mix with more kind of traditional Halloween stuff as well. So I got inspired for this look by a weird Facebook post that I saw that someone shared regarding warning people about hunting and how to check for bovine tuberculosis, and it had a picture of what it looks like, and it was gnarly. So that's kind of my inspiration for this look. If you are squeamish, proceed with caution. As always, all the products, my social media, and the music used will be listed in the description, and with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. So this is my third time attempting to film this video. So I made a whole bunch of blisters out of a new gelatin alternative recipe that I had used before, but for this it was not working out, so I mixed up just some traditional gelatin, if this wants to focus, and made new blisters. I made them by, if you don't like holes, sorry, by poking the ends of different size makeup brushes into just a little bit of clay, and then putting the gelatin in, and then waiting for it to set, and then popping them out. So hopefully this attempt at filming goes much better, and these actually stay adhered. This is a tried and true gelatin recipe, so it shouldn't give me any kind of issues. Knock on wood. I used Prozade adhesive to apply all of the little blisters. Prozade is a water-based prosthetic adhesive, and I like it better than Spirit Gum because it's much stronger. I applied little dots of the adhesive, then waited for it to dry down and become more translucent because that's when it's most effective. I didn't have any real game plan for the layout of the blisters, I just applied them in little clusters of varying sizes until I liked the result. Once they were all applied, I outlined them with a red cream makeup, slightly blending it into the surrounding skin. I used a mustard yellow eyeshadow to add some discoloration around all of the blisters and around my eyes. I used a red eyeshadow to add even more discoloration, mainly around the blisters on my chest. I also added in some redness around my nose and eyes with the red eyeshadow to get a nice sickly look. Then I used a deep red cream makeup to outline the blisters so they'd really pop. Pun not intended. I used a Q-tip to blend the dark red into the lighter red. used a purpley eyeshadow to really define my dark circles. I added some discoloration to my mouth with the mustard eyeshadow, then puckered up my lips and applied the purple eyeshadow to define the lines in them. Last, I lined my waterline with red so my eyes would look irritated. And here's the finished look. I definitely think it ranks as one of the grosser looks I've ever done, and it's a really easy SFX look to do that is guaranteed to freak people out. If you use any of my tutorials for Halloween, please tag me on social media because I love seeing all of you guys' recreations. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out my last video, or click that bottom link to check out some of my other Halloween videos. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe.